Hello guys, welcome again. And now time to remove objects from backgrounds, remove peoples from image. So the most important another parts in toolbars, take a look. We have remove tool. Select remove tool and then go to select content error and make the mode to normal. So I need to remove this gear in one click. Just paint and paint here and paint here, so the background is clear. And the next is how to remove the aeroplane just in one click. Change the size and paint on aeroplane in one click, so the airplane is gone. And the third image, so let's zoom a little bit and change the size. Paint carefully like this, little bit here and here, and paint again. Remove, zoom out, take a look. The airplane is gone, the people is gone, and the little boy is gone. So this was about remove tool, how to use remove tool for removing the objects from the background. So thanks for watching. This was about remove anything, everything from image. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.